I'm Jenna Andre.
My name is Brady Sturm.
Hello, my name is Austin Kean.
I'm on the Baja team.
It is a collegiate design series that revolves around manufacturing and designing a small Polaris-styled UTV or ATV.
Our car is designed to last a 4-hour endurance race, a maneuverability course, a hill climb, a rock crawl, you name it.
We go from there and then we compete in design and sales aspects as well as dynamic aspects as to how well the car performs.
Right now we're welding the chassis together, so we're working on the main frame of the vehicle.
My role or task today was to cope or notch the ends of the tubes to fit together with the other tubes in the chassis.
After we get the base tubes and everything on, we start putting tabs on, which is how we'll attach the steering, the suspension, and all the other components of the vehicle.
So the fixture or the PVC tubes that you saw help hold everything in place so we can weld. So within Baja, we try to design and manufacture everything in-house.
So I have access here to a CNC mill, a CNC lathe, and 2 manual mills and 2 manual lathes. I can dream up something and manufacture it here on campus.
There's tons of tools here to help us manufacture the various components to our car. We also have paint booth capabilities, so we can paint our car here if we need to. We also have an in-floor chassis dyno, so we can break in our new engine and our new gearbox and just be able to run the car statically, more or less. So I came in with little to no knowledge.
So I had 0 training coming in. I knew how to turn a wrench, and that was about it.
I've pretty much gotten training either by older members or by the shop supervisors on all the equipment here, the mill, the lathe. I've learned to weld.
The older members on the Baja team were able to help me learn what I needed to know as far as how to use some tooling and how to use some of the design aspects that the team uses.
And I came in here, and between senior members and our good shop supervisors, I learned everything I needed to know. And now I'm the team welder, and I can run a mill, and I can program and cam up software.
And then the shop supervisors helped me learn how to use the mills and how to use the lathes. And so I pretty much came in with nothing, and now I'm a senior that feels very confident in the shop.
I've remained involved with SAE because it's, first of all, just a ton of fun. I've made a ton of friends in the club, and it's also just really practical knowledge that will help me once I get out of college, having that ability to work in the shop and to make designs that can be manufactured.
I spend my weekends working on the SAE Baja project because it's an extracurricular activity that you choose to be here and everybody else chooses to be here. So everybody else is building upon their education collaboratively. So you're able to build off of each other, learn things from each other, teach others some things, and just that camaraderie of the Baja team is just something that keeps me coming back.
You just make great connections with people who share similar interests, and you get great working knowledge, and it's just, in the end of the day, a ton of fun.